What is that? Rhinoceros.
Pig.
Pig. Custard apple.
Cat apple.
What is that? Deer. Sweet lime. What is that? Can you tell me what it is?
Peacock.
Okay, peacock.
Rabbit.
Elephant. Hibiscus flower. What is that? Show me. Radish.
Daddy. Owl.
Oval.
Owl.
What is this? Rose.
Violet.
What is that? What is this?
Violet.
Okay, and what is this? Capsicum.
Capsicum.
Next is spinach.
Spinach.
What is this?
Pepper.
Okay, pineapple. Next is, what is this?
Peacock.
No, it's not peacock. If this is peacock, then who's this? 1 second. 1 second.
Peacock.
See, which one is peacock? Show me. This one is peacock or this one is peacock?
This one.
Then what is this? You told me this is peacock. This is which animal?
It's yours.
Ostrich. This is what? Pear.
Bay. Boogie.
Oh, pomegranate. What it is? Tell me what it is.
Boogie.
Okay. Okay.
Banana. Banana.
हे बनाना है काय हे
Banana.
हे बनाना है
This.
No, it is sunbird. Bird it is.
Bird.
Banana दिसला तुला. Okay.
Okay.
हे कोण आहे?
Yogurt. Yogurt.
क्या?
Yogurt.
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus.
हे कोण आहे? Fox.
Banana.
हा बनाना आहे. आणि हा कोण आहे? 1 second. See, Adit. This is what is banana? Tell me which one is banana.
Banana.
And who's that? Sunbird. You're talking.